Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make pentagram earrings as you see right here. With 4 ingredients. You're gonna need some black nail polish to paint after it, black and clear, and you're gonna need some bead and stretch, and then a hoop earring, and some super glue or nail glue. So first you're gonna cut yourself off about a foot of bead and stretch, and gonna take about this much and close this like that and put some glue on the end there. Take your string, wrap it around. Wrap mine's around twice, like that, and it's all stuck right there. So I'm going to look at one of my other earrings that I made, and I see that I just went right across like this, and I'm gonna fold it under and over to the other side and then glue it down. Glue it down on the corner right there. Hold down, touch it with your finger or whatever so it sticks. And then you're gonna wrap around on the other side. And do that corner and this corner, and I'll be back when I'm done. I already have half of my circle pentagram done. I'm just waiting for this corner to dry, and I'm holding down this part, and we are gonna glue right here. And fold under and hold it. I'm gonna pull up and under, and then back on the corner. Back to the corner where you started. And then I'm gonna glue it again. Pull under. Just have it glued down. All good. And we'll wait until this dries. Now that they're dry, we're gonna cut the string off. And then lay something down to paint them on. I just got a trash bag. I am cutting the string off right now. put one earring down. Cut the string off with 2 more earrings and slap it down. So I'm opening my nail polish, and here we go. And I'm just like painting it black. Like it's nothing. Painting it black. Yep. Painting it black. Looks all black and stuff. And emo. And get a wider brush. So what you're going to want to do is pick up some of that black nail polish and just start painting your earrings. I'll be back when I'm done. And when you're done, you get something like this. The other ones are drying right now. These are the ones that I demonstrated in the beginning of the video. It opens and closes just like regular earrings. The nail polish did not affect it in any way, but it looks super cool, looking like pentagram earrings. So like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.